client had an alcove that they wanted a set of drawers installed in, but they also wanted flush doors to the alcove. So this is the result of several conversations with the client. There are 4 drawers on the left hand side, which are about 900 millimeters wide, and on the right hand side there are just 3 deeper drawers with hanging space and a shelf above. Since this, I've now put automatic lights that come on when the doors are opened. In the office, this was just a plain wall with nothing there. The clients had installed a Murphy bed or a concealed bed and wanted everything built out around the bed. They also wanted filing cabinets, and again they wanted shaker style doors on the front to hide the drawers. So on the right hand side there are 3 drawers, soft close doors, and on the left hand side there is a cabinet that actually only has shelves inside. They're all soft close hinges except for the 2 large middle doors, because they wanted them to go and fold all the way back onto the cabinets to be out of the way. There's the Murphy bed. Which just pulls down. It's weighted so that it can pull down and remains flat when it's down. At the end of the video I've actually made a headboard that fills that gap at the back. The client still has to decide on the type of knob and also the color, but I'm not doing the painting. And there you have it. And there's a picture of the headboard, which is mahogany. It's 2 parts, it just slots in together so that they can store it behind the bed.